All right, welcome to this explainer. We are diving straight into a pragmatic, highly actionable roadmap to completely future-proof your income. And we're going to do this by focusing on mastering the exact right AI skills. It is an incredibly exciting time to be learning right now, and today we'll break down exactly where you need to focus your energy to not just survive, but truly thrive in 2026 and beyond. Think about it for a second. Artificial intelligence is literally transforming industries faster than, well, almost any technology we've ever seen before. The whole landscape of work is shifting right beneath our feet. But you know what? With that massive shift comes a huge wave of new opportunities for the folks who adapt. So ask yourself, what if one pivotal skill could act as a massive lever for your entire professional future? Right now, companies are not sitting around in boardrooms debating, hey, should we use AI? No way. That debate is totally over. Instead, they are urgently panicking, trying to figure out how fast can we implement this. Because of this massive, literal overnight urgency, people who actually possess the right AI skills are seeing unprecedented income and career opportunities. The demand is completely outpacing the supply of skilled talent. So, to help you capitalize on this, here's our game plan for today's explainer. We're covering 5 key areas: the AI opportunity, creation and communication skills, efficiency and growth skills, technical and strategic skills, and finally, the mistakes you absolutely must avoid. Instead of just throwing a random list of fleeting apps at you, we've structured these 7 high-impact skills into a clear evolutionary journey. Let's kick things off with Section 1, the AI opportunity. Moving right along to Section 2, creation and communication skills. We're starting our journey here with 3 foundational skills: prompt engineering, content writing, and video creation. Think about your everyday workflow for a minute. If you do anything related to marketing, research, customer support, or making content, leveraging AI to communicate and produce media, those are basically your new operational superpowers. These are the day-to-day skills that almost every modern business relies on to survive. Let's talk about prompt engineering. Look, most people just type a basic, kind of lazy question into ChatGPT and take whatever it spits out. But true professionals, they know the quality of your prompt literally dictates the quality of the result. It's the difference between asking AI write a marketing email and commanding it act as a senior copywriter and draft a 200-word email targeting millennials about this specific new feature. The better you get at guiding the AI, getting it context, constraints, and clear goals, the more incredibly valuable your output becomes. And this sets up a super fascinating dynamic for both content writing and video creation. AI easily handles the raw generation, right? It spits out words, drafts scripts, totally speeds up production. But businesses absolutely desperately need the human element. They need a critical eye to fact check, a mind to clarify, and a human heart to inject real storytelling. AI generates the raw pixels and text, sure, but human judgment is what turns that into content that actually connects with real people. All right, let's step it up to Section 3, efficiency and growth skills. The 2 pivotal skills in this tier are AI automation and AI marketing. When you figure out how to implement these, you transition from just using software as a fun little assistant to actively making entire businesses run smoother and way more profitably. Just imagine a workflow for a second, where incoming emails automatically route to the right person, customer questions get instant, perfectly accurate replies, appointments are booked without anyone lifting a finger, and reports literally organize themselves. That is the magic of AI automation. Businesses everywhere are begging for ways to save time. If you can build these automated workflows, you become an incredibly valuable problem solver, saving hours and hours of time for the entire company. And marketing? Well, marketing has changed completely. Today, AI bots are out there analyzing mountains of customer behavior and generating data-driven ideas at lightning speed. But, and this is a really big but, it still requires a human mind to provide a creative compass and actual direction. People who get both the core principles of marketing and what AI can do are in ridiculously high demand because they marry human creativity with hardcore data-driven decisions. Okay, entering the heavy hitters now. Section 4. Technical and strategic skills. This is where you find the absolute ultimate leverage: AI coding and AI consulting. Stepping into these roles means you are no longer just a doer. You are an architect. You're a high-level, systemic problem solver. Now, don't panic. You do not need to morph into a senior software engineer overnight. Actually, scratch that. You just need to know the basics of coding while using AI as an assistant to open up massive doors. AI is mind-blowing at accelerating development, suggesting code, and spotting bugs. But businesses absolutely need human oversight. They need that critical magnifying glass to review the code and make sure it's actually secure, robust, and functional. And then there's high-level AI consulting. Look, so many companies have all these fancy tools scattered around, but they are totally paralyzed. They have zero clue where to begin. If you take the time to learn how AI works, stay updated, and really understand business problems, you become the missing puzzle piece. You guide them. You don't need to know every single random app on the market. You just need to know how to help people solve real, tangible problems. Which brings us to our final part, Section 5, mistakes you must avoid. There is one massive beginner trap you've got to avoid: jumping to a new AI tool every single week. It is so unbelievably easy to get shiny object syndrome with the latest app release. But the folks who actually succeed, they focus on solving real problems, not hoarding dozens of AI applications. Always remember, your skills create the value. The tools just help you execute those skills a bit faster. So, keep these 4 guardrails in place, okay? Number 1, never just blindly trust AI without checking its work. Hallucinations are a very real thing. 2, don't stop learning after taking just one course. This field literally evolves every single day. 3, definitely avoid those viral get-rich-quick AI schemes you see on social media. And 4, most importantly, do not ignore your uniquely human skills. Communication and critical thinking matter more now than they ever have. AI is powerful for sure, but human creativity is your anchor. The AI revolution isn't just handing us new tools, it's creating entirely new opportunities. The people who keep learning, adapting, and solving real-world problems are going to be in the absolute strongest possible position in 2026 and beyond. So as we wrap up this explainer, I've got a quick challenge for you. Look at the skills we covered today: prompt engineering, writing, video, automation, marketing, coding, or consulting. Which one of those are you going to take action on today to start future-proofing your career? The opportunity is right there waiting for you. Keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.